Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the latest innovations shaping our world. Today, we're exploring a fascinating tool that's pushing the boundaries of parallel processing and GPU usage, introducing WebMonkeys. Now, hold on to your hats, because WebMonkeys allows you to spawn thousands of parallel tasks on your GPU using an incredibly simple API. And the best part? It's compatible with both the browser and Node.js, making it super accessible for developers everywhere. Imagine harnessing the power of the GPU for tasks that typically bog down your CPU. That's exactly what WebMonkeys is designed to achieve, and today we'll break down how it works and what you can do with it. So let's get to the heart of it. You might be thinking, how does it even work? Well, when you're using WebMonkeys, you start by creating an instance of it. This can be done easily by adding a script tag to your HTML in a web browser or installing it via npm in Node.js. Seriously, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you've set it up, you can send data to the GPU for processing. For example, say you want to square a list of numbers from 1 to 16. You simply set those numbers in an array, let's call this nums, and then invoke the monkeys to work on it. They'll square each number in parallel, and before you know it, you'll have your results back almost instantaneously. Pretty wild, right? But we're not just stopping at basic operations. WebMonkeys also empowers you to handle more complex computations like vector multiplication. Envision processing multiple arrays simultaneously, multiplying corresponding elements, all happening in the blink of an eye. It's like having an army of little helpers, or as the name suggests, monkeys, efficiently tackling numerous tasks at once. Now here's a question for you to ponder. Why is this significant in today's tech landscape? It really comes down to efficiency. Our devices are producing and processing more data than ever before. When you can leverage the GPU's capabilities, you're not only speeding up computations, but also freeing up your CPU for other tasks. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities, from data analysis to real-time graphics processing and even cryptocurrency mining. Speaking of mining, yes, you heard that right. WebMonkeys can be used to facilitate mining operations. By distributing tasks across the GPU, it allows miners to process data in parallel. This means more attempts to crack that elusive hash, all while optimizing time and resources. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are performance tips you need to keep in mind, like minimizing communication between CPU and GPU for maximum efficiency. You wouldn't want to bog down the speed by repeatedly sending data back and forth. Instead, keep data within the GPU as much as possible between processing tasks. A little strategic planning goes a long way. As we wrap up, I hope you're walking away with a clearer understanding of how WebMonkeys can revolutionize the way we approach parallel computing. It strips away the complexity usually associated with GPU programming, enabling developers to focus on creating instead of getting lost in intricate technicalities. So to sum things up, we've talked about the ease of starting with WebMonkeys, how it enhances performance through parallel tasks, and its potential applications in everything from simple calculations to crypto mining. Before we sign off, I encourage you to think about how you might harness GPU power in your own projects. Whether it's speeding up a web application or taking on complex computations, the possibilities are nearly endless. Thank you for joining me today on Tech Talk. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.